There is a beautiful parrot sitting in the tree in our backyard. Can you see him? He's sitting very still. I'm amazed that he is sitting as still as he is. I hope he turns around so we can have a look at the beautiful colours on his chest. You can just see his head in the front of his chest. He hasn't moved from that position for about 5 or 6 minutes. It's almost as if he knows he's being filmed and he doesn't want to be. And we've just had another one arrive. Looks like it's his mate. And they're both singing away. There he is, he's finally moved. Alright, back to the barbecue.
See him here. He's clear against the sky.
Well, okay, back to cooking our barbecue lunch.